We're advisors on environmental and operational risks to corporate officers of the big energy and chemical companies. We focus on type 3 problem solving. And if you're not familiar with the concept, I had a client explain this to me here a few years ago. Type 1 problem solving, the client knows exactly what the problem is, the client knows what the solution is, they need somebody to come in and execute and get the job done, turn the crank and do it. Type 3 or type 2 problem solving is when the clients, they pretty much know what the problem is, they want somebody to figure out what the solution is and then help them implement it.
Got it.
And type 3 problem solving is when somebody knows that they got a huge issue on their hand, they can't define it, they only know that they need some help, and so that's what we specialize in.
They know there is a problem, but
they
not
know there
what
is
it
a
is.
problem, and so to give you a sense, in the consulting business now, type 1 problem solvers, they'll get paid $100 to $175, maybe $200 an hour. Type 2 problem solvers will get $200 to maybe $350 an hour, and type 3 problem solvers, you can pretty much name your price. So, classic case is a publicly traded chemical company that here in the U.S. they have major undefined liabilities. They'd like to sell the company, but given the undefined nature of the liabilities, there's no way that anyone would acquire them.
Right.
So they came to us last year and they said, "Well, look, help." And so we went through a process of defining what the liabilities were, figuring out how to lay off those liabilities to a third party liability transfer outfit, how to get insurance to backstop the program, and that company will be sold here sometime during this year.